Still wasting hours every month chasing down receipts and invoices? What if you could automate the entire process, from fetching to forwarding, without lifting a finger? If you're an accountant, freelancer, or small business owner drowning in paperwork, this is the tool you've been waiting for. Meet GetInvoice, the smartest way to automate your invoices and receipts. Let's be honest. Trying to collect all your monthly invoices is like trying to find 37 needles in 37 haystacks. You've got receipts in emails, web portals, screenshots, random folders. It's a mess. And when tax season hits, panic mode on. But with GetInvoice, all of that chaos becomes instant calm. It scans your Gmail, Outlook, and IMAP email accounts, fetches invoices from web portals like Amazon, Google Ads, and more using their Chrome extension, then forwards everything straight to Google Drive, QuickBooks, or your preferred accounting software. Hands-free accounting? Yes, please. Automatically find and extract invoices. No more hunting. Let the AI do the heavy lifting, day or night. Smart filing and forwarding. All documents are processed, categorized, and sent to the right place, automatically. Daily expense monitoring. Track business spending and see where your money's going. Filter by vendor, category, or even spot surprise subscriptions. AI-powered reconciliation. Upload your bank statements and let the AI match them with your invoices. No spreadsheets, no stress. Custom rules for accuracy. Only want real invoices, not quotes or estimates? You can teach GetInvoice how to handle everything, down to acronyms and email senders. Imagine all the time you'll save. No more pestering teammates. No more scanning inboxes. Just automated accuracy and a whole lot more peace of mind. Whether you're a freelancer, accountant, or small business, GetInvoice helps you focus on what really matters, growing your business. Ready to stop chasing invoices and start automating your accounting? Grab GetInvoice now while the lifetime deal is available. Link in description. Say goodbye to paperwork. Say hello to productivity. This is GetInvoice, your AI accounting assistant.